Hello everyone, welcome back to Treasure Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I made some delicious hot akara with beans flour. You can call this akara, koose, beans cake, beans fritters, beans buns, whatever you call it, it goes well. So here in this bowl I have measured out 2 cups of beans flour, and I'll start by adding some water and mixing it. I'll be adding the water little by little so that the flour will not be watery. I have a video of how to make beans flour in my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Do well to check it out. Beans flour, I used 1.5 cup of water. And I will cover and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes before I continue. After leaving it to soak and rest for about 30 minutes, I then whisk it. I'll whisk it with my hand whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the akara to be soft and fluffy. You can equally do this manually. Sometimes I just use my spatula and my hand and keep turning it with speed until it becomes smooth and fluffy. I've just added salt, little garlic powder, it's just optional, and a little ginger powder. Then some fresh pepper. and some onions, chopped onions. A little butter into the oil to check if the heat temperature is okay, and once it's okay I start frying. For this is okay, so I'll start frying. You know that it's okay once you throw in the akara and it comes up immediately. I fry in medium heat. You don't have to allow the oil to be too hot. If it is too hot, the akara will burn without cooking inside. And if the temperature is not okay, if it is low, it will soak oil and you will not like it. When I fry it from one side for about 3 minutes, I flip it so that they can fry and cook on both sides evenly. And I'll keep doing this until the akara fries very well. It becomes golden color. And now our akara is well fried. It is time to take it out from the oil. And I repeat the same process until I fry the whole akara. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And here we have our delicious akara, koose, beans ball, beans buns, beans fritters. Thank you all. I appreciate your coming. All my new subscribers, my old subscribers, you are all highly welcomed. God bless you. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Bye bye. Love you all. Don't forget to share the video.